Professor Quigley here. Let's learn letters. Put a letter into the word whammer. C says k and s. A says a and a. Cat. Great word. Words. Cat. K-a-t. Cat. You made one of my favorite words. Cat. Great word. The word cat is what? Quigley's the name. Word Hunt's the game. C-A-T spells cat. Zippity-doo. Zippity-dat. Make a new word that rhymes with cat. Pull out the first letter. Let's make a new rhyme. Drop in a new letter. It works every time. Fat. Great rhyming word. Fat rhymes with cat. Ta-da! Sat. Great rhyming word. Sat rhymes with cat. Ta-da! Let's hunt up another word to spell. Let's hunt for the letters that spell the word ran. R-A-N.